Hey there, folks. Chuck here. Going to do a really quick video. Don't really have time to do all the prep work and all that, but I wanted to get this message out straight away. Tomorrow, Nas over on the Nostalgic channel is raising money for really good causes in Ukraine, some humanitarian efforts that he's identified as really good ways to help support the people that are being attacked over there. And he asked me if I could help, and I am honored to do so. And I just wanted to show you the few things that I'll be auctioning off. Everybody on Instagram is doing like this Ukraine Killer Challenge, which I think is very cool. So, in the spirit of that, I will be auctioning off. This is the only time I've ever done this, and probably only time I ever will. This is an original 1968 Redline that I restored with proper Spectraflame paint and the proper matte black from Redline Shop paint with replacement surfboards and windshield and proper wheels with the bearings. So there's a video on my channel of me doing the restoration for that. That will be auctioning off. That's my yellow or gold part of it, and the blue part of it that I'll be auctioning off is this is still in the package. This is the blue Spectraflame 1991 BMW M3. I have not even broken the tape seal on it, but I got it, and I was going to open it, and I thought I need a blue for this, and this is a perfect blue to fill that out. So those are the two things that I will be auctioning off. They are tomorrow. That is Saturday, March 12th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. The auction starts. I'll be making an appearance there, so be sure to check that out. I'm sure if you're subscribed to me, you're already subscribed to Nostalgic, but if you haven't, check the link in the description and check him out, and be sure to give generously. There's a lot of really cool creators that are offering their stuff up, and I'm honored to be one of them. So again, check that out tomorrow, the 12th, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. If you got any questions, email me, diecastbreakdown@gmail.com. So thank you so much, and until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.